Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing for my April Simon Says stamp card kit. It came a little bit late this time, and you may have already seen some unboxings for this kit already on YouTube, but I still want to share with you guys. So I'm just going to open it up. Same signature box, and everything comes in this little bag here. And just as a side note, I had also ordered this stamp set right here, which is separate from the kit. I ordered this one and they just put it in the bottom of the box. This one is the let me see, it's the Mom's Clematis 6x8 clear stamp set. And this is so pretty. I got it because I'm working on Mother's Day cards right now. Just really pretty florals that I could color. And some really beautiful like sentiments. And these are really great to stamp on the inside of the card. So just really a nice stamp set. I also got in the box this $5 off coupon card. I'm sorry. And it's good until April 30th, which is awesome. I'm really thankful for that. So anyway, back to the kit. Comes in the same signature brown paper bag. And I'm just going to pull everything out. Of course, my little lollipop right here fell out. And I'm going to grab this. This is the Hello Darling card kit. And the kit includes the exclusive Simon Says stamp Hello Darling 6x8 clear stamp set. And that is this one right here. Just really pretty. And you may have already seen a lot of pretty cards going around with this stamp set here on YouTube. But I love this large sentiment right here. I love the little bicycle and the flowers. Just really nice stamp set. And it also comes with the exclusive Simon Says stamp Rain Boot Planner wafer thin die, and that is this little die right here, the boots with the flowers coming out. It also comes with 12 double-sided sheets of Simple Story Spring Farmhouse 6x8 papers, 2 custom 4x6 sheets of Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse stickers, 1 bottle of the Tonic Bohemian Teal Nouveau Vintage Drops, and that is this right here, and 1 sheet of Craft 6x6 cardstock, 1 4x6 sheet of Sizzix black foam adhesive, and let me just show you guys. These are the stickers, that the farmhouse stickers came in this kit, and this is the Sizzix foam adhesive here. And I'm gonna flip through these pattern papers for y'all. This is really pretty, large, and it has that on the opposite side. They're double-sided, so it's pretty florals and patterns here. Live life in full bloom there. It's really pretty, and everything coordinates so great with the stamp set and the die. This is really cute. And these are really cute to make maybe some desk art. You can sit on your desk. Our cards. Double-sided. Let's see here. I love how they incorporated these here. Double-sided. This sheet. And then these little cutter parts. I really like those as well. Those are great for some simple cards. Easy, quick and fast cards. This one as well, just really nice. So those are all the designer papers, double-sided designer papers. So the stamp set, the kit also comes with one of each of Simon Says stamp envelopes in metallic, sea glass, ivory, cotton candy, and dark chocolate. One sheet each of Simon Says stamp cardstocks in sea glass, ivory, cotton candy, and dark chocolate. So you get 4 envelopes with this kit and 4 pieces of the cardstock. This is some really good heavyweight cardstock. So that is the kit, and here's that like craft board or cardstock right there, that 6x6 piece. Anyway, I really love this kit. I'm so happy that I finally got it, and now I can make some cards with you guys. And I think this is great for spring, and I'm loving it to do some Mother's Day cards as well, since that's what I'm focusing on right now. But anyway, guys, that was my Simon Says stamp card kit. And just a little extra. I love this stamp set right here. I'll probably be using my new alcohol markers by Spectrum Noir. The new colors, I got Nature and Vintage that I shared with y'all in my last haul video. So I'll probably be using those to color these flowers for some cards for Mother's Day. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.